Okay, it is currently 3 a.m. on Saturday, December 19th, 2009. We've got this winter storm coming in later tonight. Just under blizzard watch right now. As you can see from the local radar, we've got some stuff moving in shortly. There's nothing going on right now, but as you can see, there's a big swath of the country under this watch right now. Currently, the Storm Prediction Center has a mesoscale discussion out for Virginia, West Virginia, parts of Maryland, and D.C. for snowfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour. And it's this area here, and that's going to be moving up in our direction shortly. 1 to 2 inches per hour snowfall rates. Coming in Saturday evening. Possibility of power outages. It's 3 p.m. on Saturday afternoon, and we're under a blizzard warning now. Light's starting to fade here. Temperature is 35 degrees, 4:30 p.m. Still no snow yet, but you can start to see some of the bands out here coming in across the bay. So I made the mistake of staying a little too long at my friend's house, and now we've got about a little more than an inch of snow on the ground. And as you can see, the wind is roaring out here. Craig's cleaning off his car. And we gotta get home as fast as we can. Well, not as fast as we can. As safely as we can. Woohoo! Maybe the night that there was a fast developing storm was not the right night to try to start a game of Risk. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, it's a little past 2 a.m. Venturing out into the cold with my President of the United States ruler. Recently updated. Oh, wrong end. There we go. Jeez. Yeah, almost 3 inches. Crazy.